Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the headphones are charged and in pairing mode because an unstable connection ruins takes. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and pair the headphones. Once paired, keep them selected as the default audio device. Make sure Bandlab is installed and permissions for microphone and audio are granted, since Bandlab needs direct access to route input or output. Close other audio apps to prevent automatic routing conflicts and to keep latency predictable while you record. Once paired, open Bandlab Studio and go to Settings, then Audio. You must explicitly select your Bluetooth headphones as the output device so playback goes there. For input, choose either the headphone mic or your device mic based on quality. Test levels with the input meter while speaking to ensure you're not clipping. Then adjust sample rate and buffer size, set 44. 1 kHz and the lowest buffer that remains stable, because lower latency keeps monitoring tight. Make sure You now record a short test take and actively listen for latency, dropouts, or sync problems, because small issues become obvious during playback. If you notice delay, make sure monitoring is working and try lowering the buffer or sample rate. If that fails, switch to a wired connection for critical tracking. If audio cuts out, restart Bandlab, toggle Bluetooth, and repair the headphones. Also check battery level, since low power often causes dropouts. One key tip: use a wired reference when precision matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.